Lecture number 1. Introduction to Marketing Research. Marketing begins and ends with marketing research. Before discussing marketing research, let's first understand what marketing is. Marketing includes all activities necessary for the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of goods, services, and ideas to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational needs. Why are some companies more successful than others? It's mainly because these companies accurately understand consumer wants and needs, producing, pricing, distributing, and promoting products and services that meet those needs. The marketing concept is the core of marketing, and marketing managers must use information from customers to develop marketing strategies. In one sentence, marketing is customer satisfaction. The marketing concept holds that an organization can best achieve its goals, profit, etc., by determining the needs and wants of the target market and delivering the desired satisfactions more effectively and efficiently than competitors. The focus of the entire firm is on satisfying consumer needs and wants. But how does a company know what customers' needs and wants are? Marketers must have appropriate information about customers' needs and wants to truly apply the marketing concept. Having the right concept is one part of the battle. Developing and implementing marketing strategies that actually satisfy the consumer's needs and wants is another. Let's see what marketing strategy is. Marketing strategy. A marketing strategy consists of selecting a marketing segment as a company's target market and designing a proper marketing mix: product, service, price, promotion, and distribution system to satisfy the needs and wants of the target market. Marketing managers need specific information to develop a good marketing strategy, including V. What is the market? B. How do we segment the market? V. What are the needs and wants of each segment? 5. How do we measure the size of each segment? V. Who are our competitors? V. What is the marketing strategy of our competitors? V. Which segments should we target? V. What size, model, and quality of product best suit our target market? V. What is the best price? V. Which method should we use to distribute our product, service? V. What kind of advertisement and publicity should we use? These questions and others must be answered. Thus, marketing managers need objective, accurate, and up-to-date information to develop effective marketing strategies. Environments also influence marketing strategies. These environments include social, cultural, political, economic, and technological conditions, as well as marketing programs prepared by managers. As environments constantly change, the need for up-to-date information is continuous. Collecting, analyzing, and using such marketing information in decision-making by marketing managers falls within the scope of marketing research. Marketing research. Definition: The American Marketing Association (AMA) defines marketing research as the function that links the customer, consumer, and public to the marketer through information. This information is used to identify and define marketing opportunities and problems, generate, refine, and evaluate marketing actions, monitor marketing performance, and improve understanding of marketing as a process. This definition is detailed and outlines the basic functions and uses of marketing research. For this course, we adopt a shorter definition of marketing research. Marketing research is a systematic and objective process of designing, gathering, analyzing, and reporting information that may be used to solve specific marketing problems and assist management in making marketing decisions. This definition is concise and focuses on the steps involved in the marketing research process and its role in decision-making in marketing management. Role of marketing research. The main role of marketing research is to provide information that facilitates marketing decisions. Without relevant information, marketing managers may make decisions based on experience or guesswork. For example, when launching a new product, if the demand for that product is unknown, the company may be taking a risk, and in case of failure, the investment and marketing efforts may be wasted. However, if a feasibility study based on scientific research is conducted before launching, the product may succeed in the market. Marketing research provides substantial support in strategy development by giving marketing managers an in-depth understanding of the situation and assisting them in choosing appropriate strategy alternatives. Situation analysis. Understanding the markets and customers, who they are, how they behave, why and what they buy, and how they are likely to respond in the future is the heart of marketing research. Understanding the marketing environment and specific characteristics of the market are equally essential while developing a marketing strategy. Marketing research helps in acquiring a deep understanding of both the environment and the markets. Marketing research provides information for the situation assessment of major consumer goods, which is effectively used in strategy formulation. Out. Market environment, economic trends, social trends, technology trends, legal requirements on quality, labeling, and safety. B. Market characteristics, market size, potential, and growth, location and spread of customers, different segments and groups of customers, competition, number, size, and performance of competitors. Competitive products, channel of distribution, wholesale and retail coverage. See consumer behavior, who buys our product. Demographic and psychographic characteristics, brand preference, where do they buy, outlet types, motivation, why do they buy, influence of different groups, peers, family, when do they buy, frequency of buying, how do they evaluate the product, influence of advertising. Marketing mix. The main aim of marketing strategy is to determine the marketing mix. Marketing research helps in evaluating different alternatives and ultimately including these in the marketing plan. Thus, marketing research provides a base of information for the marketing manager to decide about the marketing mix, product, price, distribution, and promotion. Marketing research answers the following questions regarding the marketing mix. A product. What product attributes are important for the customer? How should the product be differentiated from competitors? How should the packaging be designed? How important are warranty and after-sales service? D. Price. What is the elasticity of demand? How should the product be priced? What is the paying capacity of the market? How do we react to competitive price changes? How important is price to the beer? See place. What kinds of outlets should handle our product? Wholesalers, distributors, dealers, agents, retailers. How many intermediaries should there be? What rate of commission, discount is appropriate? How can the channel of distribution be motivated to push our product? How should the physical distribution of products be managed? D. Promotion. What is the optimum promotion mix? How much advertising, public relations, personal selling, and sales promotion? What should be the promotional budget? What media are most effective for our product? How do we measure the effectiveness of advertising? Which advertising agency should be hired to handle our promotion campaign? Marketing research industry. In the early days, business owners knew their customers, so there was little need for formal marketing research. As businesses grew, customers became separated from business managers, and marketing research was needed to understand customers in distant markets. Now, business management realizes that, to survive effectively, marketing research is genuinely needed to practice marketing concepts. In response to the needs of marketing research by businesses and industries, companies have created research and development (R&D) departments. Many research companies, called research suppliers, have also come into existence. Research suppliers. There are many organizations, nationally and internationally, that provide research services to businesses and industries for a fee. Some research companies perform all functions of research. These are called full-service research suppliers. Others perform one or more tasks of marketing research and are called limited service research suppliers. For example, some companies only collect data or analyze data for their clients,